Hello my dear viewers. Today the video is about the alcoholic effect. Especially I am going to discuss about the stages after consuming the alcohol. Sometimes we may come across variety of effect and harmful symptoms. It depends on what amount of alcohol you are drinking. Sometimes less, sometimes more. So let us see how it will affect to your body. I am Ujwala and welcome to our channel UM-Sense. Earlier, in a previous video, I have mentioned about variety of drinks contain alcohol concentration and how it affects to our human body. And today we are going to discuss about the effect of alcohol as per the variety of stages to be followed. You will find the link in the description box for the important videos. Here, when a person consumes alcohol, the full effects may take some time to become apparent because it needs to absorb in our body, it needs to circulate in our bloodstream. Then after we can observe variety of effect in our body. Depending on a number of factors that are like including the amount of consumed, the rate of consumption, gender, whether you are female or male, body weight, whether it is masculine or feminine or contain large amount or less, and whether the drinking episode took place on an empty or full stomach. Because if you have something in your stomach, it requires more time to absorb the alcohol, but if you have nothing in your stomach, there is no need of absorbing other things. So our stomach will directly absorb the full amount of alcohol. There are somewhat predictable stages of alcohol intoxication through which the individual may progress as the drinking continues. So when you drink a little amount, you will feel some of the symptoms, but if you drink it continuously for a longer time period, you may face some harmful effect too. It is important to remember that the same number of drinks will not produce the exact same back amount different individual. So here the question comes, what is this BAC? A person's size, metabolism, ethnicity and other factors can impact how they are affected by alcohol. So based on our physique, we will react against the alcohol. Now let us solve the question about BAC. It is blood alcohol concentration, that is BAC. Refers to the percentage of alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol or ethanol, in a person's bloodstream. A BAC of approximately 10% means that an individual's blood supply contains 1 part alcohol for every 1,000 parts of blood. So let us start with our stages. That is the first stage, that is sobriety or subclinical intoxication. That is the initial primary stage, where at a BAC of 0.01 to 0.05, the individual is unlikely to appear intoxicated, though certain tests may detect impairment. So here individual may not seem that he or she may have drinking something. Depending on the individual, judgment and reaction time may be slightly impaired, because sometimes person may be habitual and sometimes it is fresher. So according to that, the effect of judgment and reaction will be observed. One drink will generally result in a bag within this range for both males and females, with the exception of women weighing under 100 pounds. So it is almost same in both the genders. Now about the second stage, when you drink little more amount than the normal, that is known as euphoria stage. The second stage of alcohol intoxication, refers to as euphoria, occurs between 0.03 and 0.12 bag, which may correspond to roughly 1 to 4 drinks for a woman or 2 to 5 for a man, depending on the size. Here in this stage, the individual may feel more confident and be more talkative and animated, and may feel slightly euphoric over here. Inhibitions also begin to decline after some time, and most people refer to this stage as being tipsy. Now about the third stage, where little more amount of alcohol will be there in your body. Obviously, it is known as excitement stage. Having a bag between 0.09 and 0.25 lands a person into the third stage of alcohol intoxication, that is excitement stage. They may begin to experience emotional instability, a lack of critical judgment, and a significant delay in reaction time. So, as it will go to your mind, you will feel more exciteful, experience more emotional drama, and more things will be there. They may start slurring their speech, so they may not be able to speak properly in some cases. They may also experience some of the factors like this, that is impaired perception and memory, vision issues including decreased peripheral vision, blurriness, and delayed glare recovery. Sometimes loss of balance, drowsiness, nausea and vomiting, and those around the person will likely notice that they are visibly drunk because they may not be able to control their body properly. After that comes, it is the fourth stage known as confusion stage, where the amount slightly increase as per the other three stages of the consumption. Someone with a bag level of 0.18 to 0.30 is in the confusion stage, characterized by emotional upheaval and disorientation. Coordination is markedly impaired to the extent that the person may not be able to stand up, may stagger if walking, and may be very dizzy. So it will be clearly observable that the person is drunken properly and not able to control their whole body. Those in this stage of alcohol intoxication are highly likely to forget things that happen to or around them. Blacking out, that is losing memory of events that occur while drinking without actually passing out, can happen at this stage. In addition to that, a person may have a markedly increased pain threshold, meaning they could injure themselves and not feel the effect until later. And sometimes they may also dangerous to others. They may also get or could some type of injury to the other people around them. Now comes more severe stage, that is number 5, stupor stage. Stupor can occur at a bag between approximately 0.25 and 0.40. Someone in this stage is extremely intoxicated and in dangerous territory, as they are at a great risk of alcohol poisoning and death, because in this stage you may have drunken approximately more than the normal level of the alcohol consumption. They have likely lose a significant amount of motor function, that is about our hand and leg movements, are not responding to stimuli or responding very slowly, and maybe unable to stand or walk, stuporous or completely passed out, sometimes unable to voluntarily control certain bodily functions such as maintaining continence, and vomiting may occur. Someone in this stage should get medical help. Individuals left to sleep it off may end up suffering from slowed breathing or respiratory arrest, or may choke or their own vomit, so that they may not be able to control their own physique. Other risks include hypothermia, arrhythmia, and seizures. Now comes the last, final, and the most dangerous one, that is the stage 6, coma. A person who has reached 0.35 to 0.45 Bach is at significant risk of lapsing into coma. Respiration and circulation are severely depressed, motor response and reflexes are markedly decreased, and the person's body temperature will drop. Not only that, the person who has reached this stage 6 of alcohol intoxication is at a great risk of death. So that the next step comes, that is 7, comes death. At about 0.45 Bach or above, many are unable to sustain their vital life functions, and the risk of respiratory arrest and death is significant. Note that death is also possible at lower Bachs also, based on the individual, because if the physique and the physical structure may not be able to sustain certain level, they may fall into the death situation. So, if we summarize our whole idea, that if the alcohol contained in your urine cross the normal level, that is 1 ml, then what will happen? Here, as you can see, in the first, if it is less than 1 milligram, it just feels dry and decent. No one can say that you have drunken something. But if it increases slightly, that is 1 to 2 milligram, you will feel delighted and devilish. If it increases little more, that is 2 to 3 milligram, you will feel delinquent and disgusting. But if 3 to 4 milligram, dizzy and delirious appearance will be formed. Up to 4 to 5 milligram, it becomes more dangerous, where you behave desperate and dejected. But the worst condition occurs when more than 5 milligram will be there. It is known as death drunk stage, where you may fall into coma, may lead to death. So this is how alcohol affects to your body if you drink little more amount than the normal one. So everything should be in a proper balance in our life. It should not exceed from that normal level, because everything in excess is a poison. Thank you very much.